Oh hi, welcome back. This is a 3D design tip because I'll be showing you how you can create a 3D text quickly without having to click on the text spline icon and then you click on extrude to bring depth into your text, and then you drag the text spline into the extrude tool so that you create a 3D text just like this. There's a much simpler way to do this. Delete them all. All you have to do is to head over to the text spline icon again. You hold the left click button on your mouse and then you head over to text. Let the left click button go. Alright, you have the text with the depth and it's already been extruded. You don't have to use the text spline and the extrude tool to make a 3D text. So that's it for the video about how you can quickly create a 3D text, just like so. Thanks for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. From me, it's good day. Ciao!